everyone, we're going to finish up our chapter on inequalities. Last week we started graphing them, and Friday we graphed systems of linear inequalities. Now we're just going to graph system of inequalities. We're going to start with this one right here. Y is greater than x squared minus 1. It's got the squared, so it's a parabola. And I can just plug in points. Plug in 0 minus 1, I get negative 1. 1 squared is 1, minus 1 is 0. 2 squared, 4, minus 1 gives us 3. 3 squared is 9, minus 1 gives us 8. And then I'm going to reflect it across. And then decide, is it a dotted line, dashed line, or a solid line? There is no equal to. So that means this parabola is going to be a dashed line. And then I'm going to decide, are we shading inside the parabola or outside? So I'm going to choose a test point. I'll do the point 0, 3, just because it's nice and far away from the parabola. So I have y is greater than 0 squared minus 1. 0 squared minus 1 is negative 1. 3 is greater than negative 1. That's true. So that means we are going to be shading inside the parabola towards our point. Now we have the second equation to graph. This one is a linear equation. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 3. So we're going to start at 3. And our slope is 1/2. That means up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. And then we can go the opposite. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Look back. Is it a solid or a dashed? It is equal to, so that means a solid line. And then we need to decide, are we above the line or below the line? So 0, 0 is pretty far away, so I'm going to choose that as my test point. So I have 0 is less than or equal to 1/2 times 0 plus 3. So I have 0 plus 3. 0 is less than or equal to 3. That's another true statement. So that must mean I'm shading below my line. And if we look, where are our arrows pointing at each other? In this little section right here is the solution to our system of inequalities. So this is your homework for today. Remember to do this on graph paper. If you don't have access to a printer to print some off on the internet, let me know as soon as possible and I will get some sent out to you. Okay, have a good day.